BJP leader Ganesan Manipur gi taratir suba governor oina washak loukhre washak pagi chinglim leba thoram adu nityai pachu thekta laiba Raj Bhavan da pangthokhe thoram adu da Manipur gi chief minister Nongthombam Biren speaker Y Khemchan minister Singh MLA Singh loinana civil amadi police ki makok thongba official kayanasu saruk yakhe Manipur High Court ki Chief Justice PV Sanjay Kumar na nauna governor oiraba Ganesan bu aronba ngakpa amadi lengakpa gi wasak laukhe thoram aduda wangang aduna nauna governor oiraba Ganesan na phongdokhibada chahi yankhailom asida leibak asigi miyambu khetnaba leitana aikhoi amatani haiba ideology da thabak tawrakli Manipur gi miyam ka punna totna tinaduna imung amagum lauraga thabak tawgani Manipur gi damak luchingduna thabak tawgi khudong chaba ma fangbasi nungaiba fawi makha tanasu leiriba issue singi matangda paikhatpa yabasing paikhatki kani haikhe.
So I am really very happy for my leadership to give the chance to me to experience the Manipur culture, Manipur people, and sincerely, because my entire life is devoted to a cause, I sincerely work for the people of Manipur and for the country.
So what will be your trust for the first time in Manipur? So since you are here, what will be your major role you have to play out here?
First, this is my immediate reaction. Regularly we meet whenever there is a chance and I will answer to all your questions. I will come to you later. Today, first, if you welcome me with wholeheartedly, okay, even the media people, of course I am very much familiar to media in Tamil Nadu. Now, being the first time only, this is my reaction from my side. Okay. I will meet regularly, baad mein.
Thoram aduda Manipur gi chief minister Nongthombam Biren haikibada state asina experience leiraba amadi kathokpa minungsi chawba miyoi ama governor oina fangbasi miyam pumnamaki afabane miyam gi mahut selaga nauna lakliba governor bu taramnak oi haikhe.
We wholeheartedly welcome on behalf of the people of the state and on behalf of the state government. We wholeheartedly welcome him, and I think everything will be fine.
Panbayai Ganesan Bharatiya Janata Party ki masak naiba luchingba ama oirambata natana rajniti ki lamda matam sangna khongdaraklaba misakamane kumja ing lising ani gatara taruktagi ing kumja lising ani gatara nipan fawbasu Rajya Sabha gi member ama oina leirami.